Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Learn with
Advait. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is a requested video for the small kids for the daily practice worksheet. I have created in very fun and colorful manner. So let's get started. This is the sheet for articles A or an. A we are using for word which starts with consonant and which start with vowel. You have to look for the picture. If picture start with consonant, you have to use A. If picture start with vowel, you have to use N. Okay, come on, do it. This is
a car.
Yeah. What is this?
This is a ball.
B is a consonant, so
It's
very
this
good.
is a pink umbrella.
So umbrella starts with vowel.
And
Yeah. What is this?
this is an aeroplane.
Very good. This is for this and that. This we are using for near object and that we are using for
For far
object. Come on, do it.
What is this?
Very good. What is?
This.
Again, because it's a closer.
What is that?
Right.
Because this is pen and it's far.
Yeah. Very good. Car
What
is far or near?
is that?
Yeah. Good. So this is the sheet for copy the pattern. This is very good sheet for hand-eye coordination, okay, and to improve your concentration. You have to look and connect that pattern. Come on, do it.
Straight line.
Yeah.
Slanting line.
Yeah.
Right slanting line.
Very good. The next one.
Sleeping line.
Yeah.
Straight line.
Yeah. We can call it standing line as well.
Line.
Yeah.
And standing line.
Very good. The third one.
Straight line.
Mm-hmm.
Sleeping line.
Yes. Straight line.
Straight line.
One more.
Straight line.
Sleeping.
Big sleeping line.
Very
This
good. Sheet for count and match. You have to count the object and then match. Which shape is this?
Heart.
Count how many hearts are there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. The next shape is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
yeah. It's a green rectangle.
It's a square.
Some are square, some are rectangle.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
That's easy to count.
Yeah. So which shape is that?
Lineman.
Very good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah. 9 what?
9 moon.
Very good.
1, 2, 3.
We can call it
Or crescent.
crescent.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Very good.
That's a big number.
Match the opposites. I have drawn some opposites pictures, so you have to match it. First you have to tell me, what is this? Sun. Sun comes in
Day.
day. So opposite of day is
Night.
why?
Because
Moon.
there's a moon and stars.
Very good.
And there is sun.
Okay, come on, match it. Good job. What is this?
Happy face.
Yeah.
Smile face.
Hmm.
So, sad fish. So opposite of happy is sad.
Very good. What is this?
This
It
is
looks
hot.
like fire. Yeah.
Hot. Hot.
Opposite of hot is
Cold.
cold. It's a snowflake. Snowflake is cold.
This
What's this?
is left.
Yeah. Opposite of left is very
Right.
good. Very good. The glass is
Empty.
yeah. And the opposite of empty is
There's
This
a
is full
glass
of
with
water.
full.
Very good. This is the sheet with the pictures. You have to color which pictures start with vowel. So which pictures start with vowel? This one?
No.
Bus?
No. Yes.
And this?
Yes. No. Yes.
What is this?
Egg.
Egg. Cat starts with vowel.
No.
Ball.
No.
So color apple. You can shade it.
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Do it fast, fast. Very good. It's a brown egg, right?
Yeah.
Very good.
And inside the egg is a yolk.
Yeah. So this is sheet for odd one out. Here are some pictures. You have to tick which one is odd. Okay.
This one because
Why?
these two are the same but this one is not. Because
Why?
it has one leaf.
Yeah. Look carefully.
This is fish. This is have an eye but this one doesn't. So I'll take it right past the mouth.
Okay.
This is cake, my favorite. So we have 2 cake with
With
4
four.
candles, but this one is not, so I will do it there.
Very good.
Oh, chicky. So
Hmm.
this chicky is same than this chicky. And this chicky has only one leg. So I'll take it with the leg.
Very good. This is very good for your brain.
I hope you like this worksheet. These worksheets are really good for their revision and the daily practice for the 3 to 5 years age group kids. It includes article, this and that, picture addition, picture opposite, and 2 worksheets for the hand-eye coordination and the brain development and improve concentration. And if you want to download these worksheets, I will provide PDF link in description below so that you can download and kids can enjoy.
For more such learning videos,
Please like this and
subscribe to our channel
Learn with Advil.
Advil. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Bye.